Titan, why this moon is already too creepy for comfort. There's something out there. Something cold. Something dark. And it's raining. Welcome to Titan, Saturn's largest moon. It's bigger than Mercury. It's got lakes, rivers, storms. And it's not made out of water. It's made out of liquid methane. That's right. Titan is the only place in the solar system with stable liquids on its surface. But instead of soothing blue oceans, it's hydrocarbon soup. You're definitely not taking a swim here. You're dissolving into organic sludge at -290 Fahrenheit. And the sky? That's not a sunset. That's smog. Titan has an atmosphere thicker than Earth's. But it's mostly nitrogen and orange death fog. It blocks visible light. It traps weird chemicals. And it smells like propane and nightmares. There is rain on Titan. But it's not refreshing as we know it. It's definitely not romantic. It's liquid methane rain that falls once every few decades, which then trickles into oily rivers. It fills up black lakes, then evaporates into space. The hydrological cycle, except with rocket fuel. And hey, let's talk about the geology. Titan has mountains made out of water ice. Because water, at these temperatures, is harder than rock. It's a frozen world of frigid stone, raining fire liquid from an opaque sky. Cozy, right? But here's the part that will really get under your skin. Organic chemistry. Titan is bursting with it. The entire moon is one giant prebiotic laboratory. Tholin's complex carbon chains are literally raining down. It's got all the ingredients for life. Just not the recipe. Yet. Some scientists think Titan's surface may be too cold for life, as we know it. But what about life as we don't know it? Something that drinks methane, breathes hydrogen, slithers through oily lakes and doesn't care about heat or sunlight. Something that's been evolving in the darkness and chemicals for 1 billion years. This is not impossible, as theories get thrown out there. About strange microbes. About cold-adapted alien metabolism. About self-replicative chemical goo lurking beneath Titan's surface. But, good news. NASA wants to send a drone, a real one. It's called the Dragonfly mission, and is expected to be launched around July 2028 and reach Titan in 2034. It's going to land, grab a sample of the goop, buzz around in the haze like a radioactive mosquito. Simple, what could possibly go wrong? Now, just imagine the drone actually touches down, boots up, starts scanning, and then, it hears something move. In the fog. No wind. No tectonics. No storms. Just movement. Because here's the thing. Titan doesn't need to be alive to be terrifying. It is already alien by default. A place where physics behave, gravity is weaker, pressure is higher and temperatures are much colder than on Earth. But the fundamental laws of motion, gravity and fluid dynamics still apply. However, these principles manifest in different ways. Titan's gravity is about 14% of Earth's. This means things weigh less and could jump much higher or even fly with relatively simple wings. A projectile would travel much further. The methane rain would fall much slower and be larger drops than we experience. The pressure is about 1.5 times that of Earth's. This means you wouldn't need a pressurized suit, but you would need an oxygen mask. So you would experience no light, no green, just black shores, orange skies, and chemical silence. I think it's safe to say, it is the kind of place where you land, look around, and realize, I am not supposed to be here. Nothing is. And yet, something might be watching. Through the haze. Through the cold, and through liquid methane eyes. What do you think? Will we find that, something more in 2034? Subscribe for more unsettling planetary facts. And never trust a moon where it rains gas.